One task, 3 takes. The smart way to use ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Ever feel like AI drafts are almost good enough, but never quite right? The secret isn't picking one, it's knowing when to use more than one. In this video, I'll show you how ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini each take a swing at the same task, and how to blend their strengths into one polished version. Most business owners ask, which AI is the best? But that's the wrong question. The smarter question is, which one fits the job today? Think of them like players on a team. You wouldn't send the goalie to take the penalty kick. Each has its role. And remember, you stay the editor. AI just does the heavy lifting. Let's test this on a real-world task. Write a short Instagram post for a bookkeeping service reminding small business owners about quarterly tax deadlines. Keep it helpful and trustworthy. Here's ChatGPT's take. Clear and conversational. Claude gives us something more structured and strategic. And Gemini takes a different approach. It's more community-focused and motivational. Notice how it feels like a social pep talk, encouraging small business owners. See the differences? ChatGPT is friendly, Claude adds structure, Gemini makes it motivational. Now combine them. ChatGPT's tone plus Claude's checklist plus Gemini's link. That's one post that connects and converts. Quick note on free versus paid. Free tiers are fantastic for testing this method. Upgrade only when you hit friction, like daily caps stopping you mid-task, slower responses, or when you need privacy and customization. Paid plans make sense if you're using this for client work every week. Don't overbuy. Start free, then let your work tell you when to pay. Remember, the draft comes from AI, but the final edit, what sticks with your clients, is all you. That's your expertise, your human touch. AI just speeds up the first 80%. For more ways to blend AI with your human touch, join the Bite-Sized Bots newsletter at newsletter.bitesizedbots.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.